Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download mods on Farming Simulator. It doesn't really matter if you have 22 or 25 Farming Simulator, everything is just similar. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So now in order to have those mods, which are here like downloadable content, all you need to do is go to your browser and write down farmingsimulator.com, as you can see at the top. Once you are here, you want to click on mods, and on mods you're gonna choose the mod you want to go ahead and download. So for example, let's go ahead and choose this one. Now download it, save it. Now it's gonna be saved on my desktop, and let me show you. So here are some mods I have, and all you have to do now is go ahead, open up Documents. Here it is. Now my games, Farming Simulator, and mods folder. As you can see, I already have one. So all you have to do is just drag them here and leave them like so. Now you're gonna need to open up Farming Simulator, and once you will launch your career and launch the game, after that you will have an option to choose that mod. So yeah, if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.